Hello my viewers and welcome back to another video. Today I will share my experience with this Parkside hot glue gun, the model PHP 500E3. With a 3 years warranty, this case is made from a 90% recycled material, designed in Germany. Rated power consumption, it is 25 watt, 500 watt when heating up. Heating up time approximately it is 2 minutes with a 150 Celsius. Max temperature, it can go to 200 Celsius, more or less 10 Celsius. Operation with a power cable or cordless after heating up in charger stand. Glue capacity, it is approximately 20 grams per minute, and accessories included we're gonna find out together. It is great for bonding and sealing as well as craft projects. Well, let's open to see what we have inside and find out how we can use this hot glue gun. This is the newest model. Nice case. And of course, inside we're gonna find out the manual. If you want to read it, is your choice, but stay with me, you're gonna find out all about this product. Now, at the box is included 3 glue sticks with a length 18 centimeter and diameter 11 millimeter. That's all at the box. We've got the cable, 2 meter of cable, very convenient. We have the base. Here you can connect at the base the power cord. When you are using as a cordless use, enables you to use the glue gun for a short period of time without power to complete small gluing tasks. That means you have connected your glue gun here. It stays at this position, nice. It's heating up and you can remove it and use it for small tasks. Perfect. Or you can connect it directly at your glue gun with a power cable for continuous gluing tasks. There is in the model. LED indicator at the back. The trigger is fitting the glue from the back. Just pressing the trigger. Don't press the trigger before the heating up time, you may break the trigger. With integrated folding stand which allows the glue gun to remain upright when not using the charger stand. At the front we've got the nozzle, it's getting too hot, don't touch it when it's working, you can remove that and replace it. Of course at the box there is only this nozzle, no replacement. On my oldest model there was these 2 nozzles. Okay, and just to make a comparison with the oldest model, honestly I don't see any differences, pretty much are the same. This is the PH500D2, this is the E3, same thickness, length, everything are the same. Well, they just renamed the model. LED light, okay. It comes with a base and it comes of course with 3 replacement nozzles. On the newest model we don't have any replacement. Well, we will see how it goes, how it works. On the oldest model I have broke the front of the nozzle. It was the same like this nozzle. It is very fragile. If accidentally it will fall down this glue gun, it may break. Okay, now let's plug it in. Let's give some power and see how it works. We have the red LED light. Now let's use it with the base. It is for small tasks. See how much glue it can extract. It comes out very smoothly. Okay, we need to fit more. I think you will have a much time to work with that mode, only with the glue gun without power, and now it's getting hard. Struggle to extract the glue stick. Okay, that is enough. I don't want to break the trigger. And now I will connect it directly. I think this hot glue, it is enough. Definitely you will have the time and work without connecting it directly to the power. I like it. It's extracting a huge amount of hot glue. And let's see now. Again, now it's starting heating up again. Nice. And of course you can use this hot glue gun just to glue a glass, plastic, cardboard, wood, metal. Fill up an area with hot glue. You can use it for a Christmas decoration, Halloween decoration, do your own stuff, design, many DIY projects. Definitely just let your imagination and you will find the correct way to use this hot glue gun. Gluing wood with wood, bonding very well. Or you can even glue wood with metal. So many applications. I like it, and it costs only 12 euros. The price is so low. For the things that it can offer you, at your free time, you can do so many DIY projects and enjoy any moments with this hot glue gun. Or you can glue steel with steel. Nice. It has a very good soft grip here. I like it. Feels very well to my hand. And I like that it's extracting a huge amount of glue without a problem. And the amount of hot glue without the bar directly connected at the gun, it was great. Well guys, that was all about. If you want to buy it, for me thumbs up, just buy it. It's doing an amazing job extracting hot glue, gluing together wood with wood, metal with metal, or wood with metal, and other materials. I have made so many videos about hot glue guns. You can check it down below to the description or in the end of this video where you can use a hot glue gun. The applications are so many, endless. And with all that guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It takes only 1 second. Press the subscribe button and done. Share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. And something that I forgot when we are using the hot glue gun, after I stop using the hot glue gun, we can see it doesn't drop any hot glue from the nozzle. It stays there. That is very important. If you leave just like that your hot glue gun, it will not leave any hot glue at your table. And at the base we have in this tray for any leftover from the glue gun. It is very friendly. You can remove that. This is rubber. You can clean it. Nice. Don't forget to watch my videos. Yep, these videos at the 4 corners, all about glue guns. Bye bye.